Hey guys, this is Sakura, and here I'll be doing a vlog, and you can see right here that I am showing you that I am driving. So this was like, if I remember, this was at like 6 or 5 p.m. so it was like late at night, and it was very freezing. So my brother's friend decided us to invite us to like a Christmas lighting show, but I thought for some reason it was gonna be like a lot of Christmas lights, but it's just that it shows you like it's like an event for Christmas. I'm not sure if they do this. This is like a 20-minute drive because it's like in the same state that I live in, so it's like near, but it's like a 20-minute ride. So it's like this festival. It's like a Christmas festival, and all their downtown areas is decorated with Christmas lights. All their bakery items and all like their other stores are like Christmas themed. And I did show like a few of the stores because it had like Christmas theme, and it was very cute. The downtown is very cute and more like clean than our downtown, because their downtown didn't really have any like bars, and if they did, it's probably like further down. But from where I live, downtown is like usually like very crowded with bars and stuff like that, and like mini restaurants. And this one is like very homey. It's very cute, and you can see right here that they also have horses too. It is very cute. Like there was like four horses that came by, and it was very cute, and you could smell the horses because it smelled very bad, but it was very cute. I was like, oh my gosh, they have horses. I didn't know they had horses. I've been living here for so long, and I didn't like those other states, but it was very cool. And over here, you can see here that they're giving out candy. They have hot chocolate because it's cold, and also they have like a real fire where you can put your marshmallows in. When I put my marshmallows in, it fell in, but luckily I have my siblings' marshmallows because they didn't want it. So I had like 2 marshmallows, so it was good, and it was very fun. And they have like a barricade so you won't be touching the fire, and they're very specific and people supervising it. The hot chocolate was very good. It is very good, and it was good because it was like very cold, but if you had a coat and like gloves, it wouldn't be that cold. But it was so pretty, and they had a clock here too. Look at the clock. It is very cool. I didn't know they had like this big old clock here. And their like downtown was very decorative and all that stuff. You can see the store right there. I believe that was like a lot of Christmas trees. I'm not sure, but it was very pretty. Here you can see the stores right here. The stores were very pretty as well. Definitely better than where we were living. Oh, the thing shut down.
When you get down.
Oh, he's gonna run.
He's gonna run.
He's gonna run.
I think we're on this side.
I know.
Yeah, they're right there. I'm just kind of letting them.
Is it on?
I hope he hits someone in the head.
Santa! Santa! Santa!
Just Santa. Under Santa. They are. They're under. No, Santa, get behind your brother.
He committed a crime.
You probably can't get through that crowd over there.
That's a cute dog. I'm gonna face them.
Right there. Right there.
2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to everybody!
Yay, it's Christmas time. It's Christmas.
Happy New Year! No, because you're gonna have to people coming to help.
Yeah, probably.
Look down.
No, I'm. Oh, hello. So we're like. Where are you guys at?
And that was very fun. We saw Santa. It was very jarring that we saw Santa being on a fire truck, so it was very weird, but very cool. And you could hear all the kids like screaming for Santa. That was very funny. Also, it was also very cute. And he loved the Christmas tree, and it was very pretty, very nice. And I think that's all the events from what we see, because all the shops till now were closed early because I'm guessing the event was over. You got to see Santa, the Christmas lighting was there, and we got some hot chocolate, we roasted some marshmallows, we took a picture of the Christmas tree because the Christmas tree was very pretty, and I think that's all. Honestly, I was wondering like when people were riding the horses, because many people were riding the horses, and I'm not sure there was like somewhere you can ask or like station to be like, hey, I want to ride the horse, how much is it? But seems like people ride the horses, and I hope to like ride a horse over there someday too, because I did not know. And it was probably very late at the night, so you probably can't do it the whole night. They're probably doing it in the afternoon, too late at night, so yeah. It was a very fun event for like Christmas, and this was celebrated like, this was in November. I believe it was in November, so I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more events for Christmas this year, which is gonna be very fun. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe, most of these, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye, listeners, bye. Enjoy the montage of me like looking at the Christmas lights and seeing more horses, because more horses were like passing by. And I guess then it ended because it was like 6 p.m. when we came back. But it was very fun and I very much liked it.